Being a keen swimmer myself, I struggled to find a shampoo that would actually take the chlorine and the chlorine scent out of my hair. And in looking into a dechlorination shampoo as a brand, we were interested to learn that many elite athletes and people who swam regularly also had the same issue. So it's a product that took quite a few years to get to market, but we finally did a product that removes chlorine, salt, impurities and green tint from your hair. There are a number of hero ingredients in this product. The first is a type of sodium or a salt that we include in the product, which actually binds with the chlorine, reacting with it and converting it into an inactive salt that then washes away. This active ingredient is also used for a number of medical applications, including the treatment of metal poisoning and fungal skin infections. So it is effective, and it is also safe to use. We also brought a bit of Australia to this product as well, with other natural ingredients that really help cut through the chlorine and also really clean and cleanse the hair. So we included Lemon Myrtle. This is an amazing fresh scent and gives a zing after swimming. It's also great for dry and damaged scalps and skin. We've included Kakadu Plum, which is also Australian. It's really high in vitamin C, which also helps neutralise the chlorine. It stimulates the production of elastin and collagen, which helps to strengthen the hair as well as lock in moisture to keep your hair hydrated. We've got Desert Lime, which is really lightweight and it helps smooth and nourish the hair. And we've got a trio of macadamia, coconut and jojoba, which we use to enrich and condition the hair. I'll talk about our conditioner actually in another video, but for those that don't use conditioner, we do include some of these ingredients to help condition the hair to some extent, but we do suggest that you pair this up with our conditioner. So applying this product or preventing chlorine exposure to your hair is more than just using this product. So the first thing to do is before you swim, my advice is to actually wet your hair, either with in the shower or with your water bottle or a spray, and then put a cap over the top. And the rationale behind that is by wetting the hair is already saturated, and then the chlorinated water then won't kind of then sink or seep into the hair. So that provides the protection. Wet hair and also the cap as the initial line of defense. Once you've swum, then shower. And this is just use the shampoo as a normal shampoo. Wet your hair thoroughly with fresh water, apply and massage through. Leave it in for a minute or two so the active ingredients in the shampoo can then react. Rinse it out, and then it's quite important to repeat this again. So it's 2 applications of the shampoo that's important to really remove the chlorine from your hair. The other important thing about this product is that you can get a chronic buildup of chlorine in the hair over time. So it will help on one initial application, but it's the repeated use after swim that will really help restore your hair back to being healthy, less brittle and less frizzy.